In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Ted Baker promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll need to search for Ted Baker promo code. So right here, select the couponfollow.com website where you can find a list with different type of promo codes and deals for this website. And for example, if you want to get the 10% off discount of your next order, you can select your coupon code right here, and this is your promo code. And if you use this one on your next purchase, you should be able to get this 10% discount off. Also, you can scroll down right here to these websites, and you should see this one right here, which is my voucher codes, which also provides you with different type of promo codes and deals that you can use. For example, this one with 88% off. All you need to do is get discount in order to get this 80% of your next purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.